Candidates from the College of Nursing Legarda Campus, please rise. Madam Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Teresa N. Rivera, I have the honor to present to you the 96 students of the College of Nursing from Arellano University Legarda Campus for the cupping, pinning, and candle lighting ceremony. These students have satisfactorily completed all the pre-clinical requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and the College of Nursing. They are now prepared to undertake the related learning experiences as they continue their journey toward becoming competent, compassionate, and professional nurses. College of Nursing from Legarda Campus. Akis Mikey Lunil Faith J. Aguirre Arian Lynn B. Alar Ira Marie M. M. Salinas Charles Brian A. Tatuala Henry Flores. Tabalque Lee Allen. Toledo Zai Francis Josiah T. Valdez Paulo Miguel M. Piñas Harold A. Angel A. De la Cruz Maria Carla S. Ikayanan Ruth Jamaica G. Tukuyanan Rowena P. Empilio Claire B. Pacud Mabel B. Pajardo Tuesday M. Metalvero Maria Lynn M. Flores Grace S. Flores Mary Ann I. Relda Mary Joy G. Galas Marinel M.